Are you using the best fats for your cooking? In a world packed with option seed oils, olive oil, butter, even lard, how do you know what's truly better for your health and your taste buds? Whether you're veggies, baking, or frying up something special, the fat you choose can make all the difference in flavor, texture, and even your long-term well-being. If you've ever wondered which choice leads to the perfect balance of healthy eating and satisfying meals, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the truth about seed oils versus traditional fats. We'll explore how each stacks up in the kitchen, their nutritional impact, and which one might just elevate your next dish. Stick around to uncover the best fats to fuel your cooking passion, because making smarter, tastier, and healthier choices starts here. Let's start with a little context. Seed oils are everywhere. They dominate store shelves and ingredient lists, from salad dressings to frying oils. These oils rose to popularity in the mid-20th century, largely due to their affordability and long shelf life. But despite their convenience, many people have concerns about their health impacts. On the other hand, traditional fats like butter, olive oil, and lard have been staples in kitchens for centuries, celebrated for their natural qualities and rich flavors. But are they truly better, or is that just nostalgia talking? That's what we're here to uncover. First, let's break down seed oils. These oils, like canola, soybean, and corn oil, are extracted from seeds using industrial processes that often involve heat, pressure, and chemical solvents. The result is a neutral-tasting oil that's versatile and affordable. Seed oils are great for high-heat cooking because of their high smoke points, making them popular for frying and baking. However, there's a downside. Seed oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess, can contribute to inflammation in the body. Combine that with their highly processed nature, and you have a product that's practical, but not without its nutritional concerns. Now, let's talk about traditional fats. These include olive oil, butter, and lard, all of which are minimally processed and packed with nutrients. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, is rich in antioxidants and healthy monounsaturated fats that support heart health. Butter, with its creamy texture and natural vitamin A, adds depth and richness to dishes. And lard, often overlooked, is actually a great source of vitamin D and delivers unmatched flakiness in baked goods. Traditional fats tend to be more flavorful and nutrient-dense, making them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. However, they do have limitations. For instance, olive oil's lower smoke point makes it less suitable for high-heat cooking, and butter can burn if not used carefully. So, how do these fats perform in the kitchen? Let's look at some practical examples. Imagine you reheat vegetables. With canola oil, you'll get a clean, neutral taste and quick, even cooking. But switch to olive oil, and suddenly your dish is infused with a subtle richness that enhances the natural flavors of the veggies. Now, try the same dish with butter, and you'll notice a creamy, caramelized depth that can't be matched. And if you're frying, seed oils might be the safer choice due to their high smoke point. But for baking, butter and lard consistently deliver superior texture and flavor. Cooking is as much about health as it is about taste. From a health perspective, seed oils have their challenges. Their high omega-6 content can lead to an imbalance in the body, especially when consumed in large quantities. Traditional fats, on the other hand, offer a more balanced nutritional profile. Olive oil is packed with heart-healthy compounds, while butter and lard, when used in moderation, provide essential nutrients like vitamins A and D. But it's not just about what's inside the bottle, or block it's also about sustainability. When we consider the environmental impact, traditional fats often come out on top. Seed oil production involves large-scale farming that can contribute to deforestation and soil depletion. In contrast, olive oil is often produced sustainably in Mediterranean regions, and lard, as a byproduct of animal farming, can be a low-waste option. Choosing the right fat isn't just about your body, it's about the planet too. So, what's the verdict? If you're looking for an all-purpose option, olive oil is a fantastic choice for most recipes, offering both health benefits and great taste. For high-heat cooking, you can use seed oils sparingly, but they're best avoided in everyday meals due to their processing and potential health risks. Butter and lard, with their superior flavor profiles, are perfect for baking and recipes that need a touch of indulgence. Ultimately, the best fat for your kitchen depends on your cooking style and priorities. Now that you know the differences, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Experiment with different fats in your recipes and discover how they transform your cooking. Have you tried baking with lard or finishing a dish with high-quality olive oil? Let us know your favorite fats in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone looking to make healthier, tastier choices in the kitchen. See you in the next video.